Hey guys, welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, I'll show you where you can find the Rain Man Deviant in one's human. So to get to the location, first you have to open up your map and teleport to the Mayor's Market right here. From Mayor's Market, you can go right here, which is quite near it. You can go on your bike and after you have come here, you will need to kill some enemies, so I'll just go up to this mountain so it's easier for me, and I will clear up some enemies. After killing the enemies, if you go to this point right near the ship, you will see this thing called Rainfall Reaper. Now most of the time you just can't see him clearly, so you will need to get close to him, and I still can't see him clearly. If I just go a bit more, now you can see the umbrella, and now I can see the Rainfall Reaper. So you just have to defeat the Rainfall Reaper. And also once you have done it, be careful of the umbrellas, they usually explode. Now once you have killed the Rainfall Reaper, we will approach it. Now keep in mind, it's not 100% drop chance to get the Rain Man Deviant, and you don't really get it right away, so try switching the worlds and keep coming back and killing this. And that's it for today's video on how you can get the Rain Man Deviant in one's human. If this video is helpful to you in any way, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.